Good morning, students of class 10th. I hope you are safe at your homes and doing well. In today's video, we will be studying about the concept of deforestation and the causes of deforestation, right? Concept of deforestation तो आप लोगों ने पहले भी पढ़ रखा है and it is, I hope it is not a new concept for you. But our main focus will be on the causes of deforestation, right? So, first of all, let us understand the concept of deforestation of या फिर we will revise it. That what is the concept of deforestation? What do you mean by the term deforestation? See, the concept of deforestation means when we cut down the trees on a large scale, then it is known as deforestation, right? So the term deforestation covers the complete removal of tree cover over a long term basis, right? That if there is a forest and there are a lot of trees planted in the area, and with a span of time over a period of 5 years or over a period of 10 years, we cleared the whole forest, right? ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि हमने सबके सब पेड़ एक ही दिन में काट डाले. We will take some time to clear them off. So what we did, slowly and gradually we cleared the whole forest in a long term basis. So this is the concept of deforestation. The loss of forest cover influences the climate and contributes to the loss of biodiversity. Normal सा case है. If we are cutting the forest, we are not just reducing the number of trees in the area, but we are also reducing the number of animals dependent on them, right? If we are cutting down the trees, the animals, the herbivores who graze the wheat, who graze the grass, right? Whether they are grazers or whether they eat the leaves or they eat the products of the trees in the form of fruit or any other case, they will all be deprived of their source of food, right? When they will be deprived of their source of food, either they will die or they will migrate from that place to another, right? So the loss of forest cover influences the climate and contributes to a loss of biodiversity. Even economic activity is adversely affected due to resultant settling, flooding, soil degradation and reduced timber supplies, right? और इसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज भी अफेक्ट होती हैं बिकॉज ड्यू टू कटिंग डाउन ऑफ ट्रीज, कटिंग डाउन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. क्योंकि डिफॉरेस्टेशन के अंदर सिर्फ कटिंग डाउन ऑफ सम ट्रीज नहीं है, पूरा का पूरा फॉरेस्ट क्लियर कर दिया जाता है. सो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि लोगों की जो डेली लाइव्स हैं वो भी, इवन ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स, दे ऑल्सो गेट चेंज्ड, राइट? Deforestation is one of the major causes of environmental degradation, which is affected by farmers, ranches, loggers, and plantation companies. Thus, expansion of cropped area and pastures are a major reason for deforestation. Even farming is a reason for deforestation, क्योंकि अगर हमको farming करनी है, we have to clear of the land and it will require a lot of land, so we have to clear the forest for that. Okay, so let us study about the causes of deforestation, कि deforestation के causes क्या है. The first and foremost cause of deforestation is एग्रीकल्चर, राइट? पहला कॉज तो हमारा एग्रीकल्चर ही है, जो मैंने भी डिस्कस भी किया था थोड़ा बहुत. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस इट इन डिटेल. एग्रीकल्चर. Forests are being converted to agricultural land to meet the growing needs of the people. There are an estimated 3 crore people living as shifting cultivation who practices slash and burn agriculture. Now there is a new concept introduced कि एग्रीकल्चर में भी एक टाइप का एग्रीकल्चर होता है जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं स्लैश एंड बर्न agriculture. What is slash and burn agriculture? What is the meaning of the term slash and burn agriculture? Let us understand that. Forest तो हमारा पहले से ही है, right? This is our forest. Now What the people did, those people who practice slash and burn agriculture, they do not settle on a single place. What they do, they wander, they move from one place to another in the forest only. And what they do, if they are moving in a forest and they went to a place which they think is suitable for their farming, what they will do, they will cut down all the trees there, right? They will cut down all the trees there. They will do farming here for 2 to 3 years when the crop is fertile, when the soil is fertile. And after doing the agriculture activities for 2 to 3 years, after that, when the soil will lose its fertility, they will burn the crop, right? So first of all, they slashed all the trees and then they burned it. So this is known as slash and burn agriculture. So there are an estimated 3 crore people living as shifting cultivators who practice slash and burn. That is why it is also called as shifting cultivators, because they move on one place to another. Okay, because they move from one place to another, that is why they are known as shifting cultivators. कि उन्होंने एक जगह पे फार्मिंग करी, 2-3 साल वहां पे रहे, फिर बाद में उस जगह को आग लगा दी और एक जगह दूसरी जगह पे चले गए, उस जगह को खाली छोड़ दिया, राइट? कहीं और गए, वहां पे जितने पेड़ सब काट दिए, वहां पे फिर एग्रीकल्चर कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो इट्स की वजह से डिफॉरेस्टेशन हो गई, नॉर्मल सी बात है. दिस इज प्रैक्टिस्ड इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया. ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है कि झूम फार्मिंग जो होती है या फिर हमारी स्लैश एंड बर्न जो होती है, वो बेसिकली कहां पे होती है? नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया या नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया की तरफ होती है, जो हमारे एरियाज हैं ऑफ झारखंड, नो नॉट झारखंड, द एरियाज ऑफ योर आसाम, राइट? they are practiced. This practiced in northern India and some extent to the areas of Telangana, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh also, but basically it is a tradition of your northeast India only, right? Next is commercial logging. Due to commercial logging means due to commercial activities, basically commercial activities की वजह से भी हमारा deforestation होता है. The need for timber for domestic use and international trade results in deforestation, right? अब हम timber का use करते हैं, right? We use wood, whether it is for making furniture, whether it is for making cricket bats. Cricket bats के अंदर भी आपको पता है कि wood का use होता है. हमारा बेड जिसके ऊपर हम सोते हैं वो फर्नीचर का बना होता है. हमारी टेबल जो है, हम फर्नीचर सॉरी वुड का बना होता है. जो हमारी टेबल है वो वुड की बनी होती है. इवन जो बोर्ड है, बोर्ड के बीच में जो मटेरियल फिल्ड है, दैट इज आल्सो वुड, राइट? सो वुड इज यूज्ड इन मेनी प्लेसेस. आवर डोर्स आर मेड ऑफ वुड. सो कमर्शियल लॉगिंग, द नीड फॉर टिम्बर फॉर डोमेस्टिक यूज एंड इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड रिजल्ट्स इन डिफॉरेस्टेशन. कि हमारे जो कमर्शियल पर्पस के लिए जो हमारी वुड यूज करी जाती है उसके लिए, राइट? फॉर डोमेस्टिक एंड फॉर इंटरनेशनल, वुड इज प्राइमरली यूज फॉर बिल्डिंग हाउसेस, फर्नीचर, क्रेट्स और पैकिंग मटेरियल्स, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ पेपर एंड फॉर फायरवुड. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली पेपर, यस मैं तो भूल गया था कि पेपर इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर मेकिंग, वो वुड इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर मेकिंग पेपर, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज माइनिंग. The third term is your mining. Mining की वजह से भी deforestation होता है. What is mining? You must be aware of that what is mining. When we go deep inside the earth's surface for the purpose of extracting some minerals, some iron ore or other purposes, so it is known as mining. Forests are cleared to make way for mines and to extract minerals deposited under the forested patch of land. This affects the environment in the form of erosion, formation of sinkholes and loss of biodiversity. It also leads to contamination of soil, groundwater and the surface water by chemicals from the mining process, right? क्या होता है mining, आपको पता ही है कि when we go deep inside the earth's surface for the motive of extracting minerals, right? कि हम जो है अर्थ के सरफेस के डीप जाकर मिनरल्स एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, वेदर दे आर कोल्स, हम कोल एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, हम कोई सा आयरन और कोई सा मिनरल एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, कोई सा स्टील, कोई सा मेटल, राइट। सो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि इसकी वजह से बायोडाइवर्सिटी को नुकसान होता है, डिफॉरेस्टेशन तो होता ही है, नॉर्मल सी बात है, राइट। वहां के जितने भी पेड़ वगैरह हैं ऊपर के काटने पड़ेंगे। बट अदर देन डिफॉरेस्टेशन, अदर लॉसेज आर ऑल्सो happening due to mining. One of them is contamination of groundwater. Contamination of soil, groundwater, even the water above the surface, surface water, right? They all are being contaminated due to the process of mining, right? Next is increase in population. Fourth is increase in population. कि हमारे देश की जो पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है उसकी वजह से भी हमारे जो है प्रॉब्लम होती है डिफॉरेस्टेशन की, राइट। एज वी नो दैट द नंबर ऑफ पीपल आर इंक्रीजिंग, when the number of people are increasing they will require more place to live, right, and when they will require more place to live, the human beings will have to cut down the trees, they will have to clear the forest so that the place for the living of human beings can be made, right. So increase in population increase leads to higher need for forest resources. To meet the demand of a rapidly growing population, agricultural lands and settlements are created permanently by clearing forests, right. हमने क्या किया, फॉरेस्ट था, क्लियर करा, फॉरेस्ट क्लियर करके हमने वहां पे एक कॉलोनी सेटअप कर दी, जिस वजह से पूरा का पूरा एरिया जो है डिफॉरेस्टेड हो गया, राइट। नाउ there are many points, if we will go on then the video will be of a long duration, so we will continue it in the next video. Till then we have studied about 4 points, that what is deforestation and what are the causes of deforestation. We will further read about the causes of deforestation in the next video. Till then students, stay at your homes and stay safe. Thank you.